Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the XESS mode in Dead by Daylight. So basically what an XESS mode is, it's basically the Intel's technology. So go over to the graphics now. And here in the post process, we'll have the XESS mode. Basically, it's a sampling technology made by Intel to make sure that our quality is best. And here we can set it either to off, ultra quality, quality, balanced, or performance. And it's all basically up to us. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.